What is up, my cranky crew? This is the first video on my channel. I will be playing Celeste Chapter 1 today. I really hope you enjoy the video, because I'm very new to this whole content creation thing. The editing was freaking draining, even though it's not a lot of editing. It was only like 2.5 hours of editing, but like, I just trying to figure out DaVinci Resolve and all that. Anyways, if you're wondering why the video quality is so bad right now, it's because it's just turning 10 o'clock at night. I am currently chilling out on the couch, watching some Markiplier, just finishing up the last bit of editing. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, subscribe or even just comment. Like, I would really enjoy the feedback on anything that you might think I could do better. Even if it's just little things, anything helps. Thank you. Have a enjoy the video. Just breathe. So we're playing Celeste. Why are you so nervous? I'm always nervous, bro. That's just how I roll. So we're playing Celeste today. So I actually haven't beat the game. I've gotten really close, and I got stuck there for a while, and then I kind of just quit. But I want to do a recording of the entire game. Excuse me, ma'am. Hold on, let me put on my best old lady voice. The sign up front is busted. Is this a mountain trail?
You're almost there. Just across the bridge.
This is what my grandma sounds like, actually. By the way, you should call someone about your driveway. The ridge collapsed and I nearly died. It's fine, you'll be dying a lot, I promise.
If my driveway almost did you in, the mountain might be a bit much for you.
Well, if an old bat like you can survive out here, I think I'll be fine. You know, good point.
Suit yourself. But you know, Celeste Mountain is a strange place. You might see things you ain't ready to see.
You should seek help, lady. I agree. Oh no, the bridge collapsed. What will I do? Thank you, bird of infinite wisdom and guidance. God, the music for this game. So good. In games. Okay, I want to get all cherries, and I'm going to do all the B-sides. Or not cherries, but strawberries. And I'll do all the B-sides. I don't know about the C-sides yet, just because I don't know if I have the patience for all that. So, I'll probably do one video per level, and then a short video for the B-sides. This one won't be too long, just because I've beaten this over many times. So, my friend showed me this game, honestly, it was almost probably about a year ago. I've played quite a bit of it. Oh there, fellow traveler! That's his voice. Oh, hi. What a killer night for a hike. I guess so. This place is so crazy. I kind of can't believe it exists. Not the easiest climb, is it? But I guess it's what I was looking for.
Whoa, that sounds pretty serious. I'm just happy to see another human in such a lonely place. I'm Theo, by the way, an adventurer from a far-off land. Not much of a talker, are you? Mysterious lone wolf type, I get it. I'll just imagine some dark backstory for you. Hey, sorry, I'm Madeline. I've got a lot on my mind. Well, Madeline, I'd say you've come to the right place. I'm freezing my toes off, but I can't imagine a better place for some quiet reflection. Yeah, maybe you're right. What far-off land do you hail from? Well, my inquisitive compatriot, I doth hail from the mystical, exotic kingdom of Seattle. Sounds like a special place. This place is wild. Why would an entire city be abandoned? I read that some mega corporations started building it, but then no one wanted to live here. I wonder why. My money's on government cover-up. Yeah, you seem like the type. What a waste to build all this for no reason. At least we got to enjoy the leftovers. Okay, see you. I'm better than this. I'm trying to. Back on track. Hooray! I just gotta find the beast. No! I'm dying way too many times for having this many times I see glimpses of things. Time to go.
excited for the death compilation. This is the way I'm supposed to. I think there's 20 in this first level, so I think we're all... I hope I'm fine. I don't have to restart. I really hope I'm not missing anything, because I'm really stupid. There was nothing to be done. Oh no. I think I'm missing some. Oh man. Frickin' heck, bro. Ugh, I'm exhausted. Yeah, me too, bro. I just missed some. Magic bird. This might have been a mistake. Sure. It's like the cat situation. If the cat lays down on you, you're not allowed to get up. Motherfucker, are we for real? Oh my god. Okay, we found it. No! No! Oh. Am I? I hope you enjoyed the video. I put a good bit of effort into it, and Celeste is a game that I love very much. I want to thank anybody who stayed around to the end, or even just watched some of it and skipped through. I am really tired, so I'm going to be going to sleep soon, but I had a really good time editing and making this video, so if you want to see more, just let me know. Tell me, like I said, any feedback is helpful. Thanks.